Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlall on Tuesday, during his weekly program Issues in the News, said that the government is yet to receive the written ruling by High Court Judge Sandil Kissoon. Judge Kissoon last month ruled that the teacher strike was legal and salary should not be deducted, and as such, he will be filing an appeal.
1 month has gone, and we are still to receive the judgment. I had planned to wait for the judgment to be delivered before I file my appeal. But since we are now running out of time, I will have to proceed to file my appeal and make my application for a stay.
The Attorney General said he will reserve the right to add further grounds to the appeal when the written judgment becomes available.
Because there is a time frame within which appeals must be filed, I will not be able to wait.
When Night to the News contacted the High Court Public Relations Officer, it was disclosed that the court is in possession of a typed transcript and the written decision will be disseminated to the parties in due course. Also, according to the Time Limit for Judicial Decisions Act, which specifies a time limit in accordance with Article 197(3) of the Constitution, within which a judge shall give a decision in a civil case and any appeal case, and for connected matters. Section 4(1) of the Act states, quote-unquote, "A judge who presides at a trial of a civil case shall give a written or an oral decision and reasons for the decision at the conclusion of the hearing of the case, or as soon as possible after the conclusion of the hearing, but not later than 120 days from the date of the conclusion of the hearing." Last month, High Court Judge Sandil Kissoon ruled that the Guyana Teachers Union (GTU) strike was legal, and as such, Justice Kissoon prohibited the government from acting on its decision to deduct salaries of teachers who participated in the month-long strike in February. In the ruling, which lasted for several hours, saw Kissoon slamming the government over their decision to discontinue deducting union dues from the salaries of teachers, for the union describing the moves as, quote-unquote, arbitrary, unilateral, and discriminatory. Alluding to a number of landmark decisions and judicial reports from several Commonwealth nations, in addition to the Constitution of Guyana and evidence presented to the court, the jurists declared that the teachers were not only within their right to strike, but that, quote-unquote, right is enshrined in the Constitution. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Night Today News.